All right, guys, so today I want to do a quick unboxing and review on my cocktail smoker kit. It's this one right here. It's actually pretty sweet. Let's check it out. So you get the torch itself. It does use butane, which I already filled it up. And then you get this little thing for the ice cubes that it comes with. It comes with 6 of them, like the quick chiller ice cubes. It comes with like a little stir, gold one. It comes with a little cleaning brush. What we're gonna be using today is where it actually goes into. Go that there. And then it has cherry, hickory, oak, beech, pear, apple, and cherry wood smoking flavors. So let's do, what should we do? Should we just go old school and oak? Do that. Put that right there. So I had already loaded it up. So, perfect. Get your torch. Careful with this bad boy. Ready to go. Let's get this one in here. There we go. You can see it start to smoke up, and that is cool. Let's just cover it real quick. So, as you can see, it has so many flavors to choose from. Super easy to use. It's got everything that you need. It's a great starter kit, great for parties. It'll be like the life of the party, honestly, if you pulled up with this bad boy. Like I said, you can enjoy your bourbon, whiskey, whatever you want to do it with. So if you're looking for an awesome smoker kit, I highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.